What's up, guys? So this is a 2022 F250 and I bought the Rough Country LED light bar kit. It's supposed to go behind the grill. The problem I'm having is on the driver's side over here, the grill, when I put it on, is hitting these light bars. So my plan is to drill 2 new holes, just space them back a little. So that's how the light bars were. I'm just gonna push them back, drill 2 new holes, and then I'll take an angle grinder or something and just cut this off so it be flush again, because right now this is sticking out of the grill when the grill is on. But I can't move this bracket back any further. It's already as far back as I felt comfortable, because this is just plastic, so I didn't feel comfortable drilling this any further back. So if anyone else runs into this problem, this is an easy solution. Just drill 2 new holes here. I'm just gonna chop this off to make it clean. You can probably leave it if you want. That way I can push the light bars back a little and they won't make contact with the grill when I put it back on. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and I'll give you a little update and we'll see how well it works. Okay, so here is the result. I just kind of touched it up a little so it wouldn't rust, but I moved the holes back and I chopped it off. And we're gonna do a quick test fit and see what happens. So I'll show you with the grill installed and we'll see if we have enough clearance now. Okay, the grill is on. This is what I was talking about. See this? There is actually a gap now, but barely, and that's even after cutting that back. But before I cut this back, it stuck out past this, which just drives my OCD crazy. So now it is in flush. I'm gonna have to clean that up a little more. That still looks pretty ugly, but still, the lights actually fit back in there now. There's a view from the front. So I still have to wire these up. Not sure how bright they are. The passenger side, I don't know if you can see, actually fit. There is a gap in here. It's small, but there is one. So that one did fit in, no problem. So I'm gonna wire these up to the upfitter switch, switch 1, and we will see how bright they are, but I'm excited. On my old Ram, I had a light bar down below near the license plate, and it was integrated into the bumper. I just like when they're clean, flush like that, not sticking out. So yeah, just a quick tip. If anyone else runs into the problem like I did trying to mount these light bars in the grill, it's a 2022 XLT. I believe this kit only fits XLs and XLT. So if you have an XL or XLT, might have to trim that mount to get it to fit, because otherwise the grill hits the light bar.